Today on the auspicious day of Eid, we are actually launching our Metal X. As we have seen during our last time, some 15-20 days back, there was an unboxing of this particular metal printer. So we are now very pleased to introduce a first ADAM, that is atomic diffusion additive manufacturing technique, in front of you. So today we are going to demonstrate the first try run of this particular machine. So let us start with what we are going to do is we are just opening, and now I am going to set basically this printing paper. And if you see this printing paper, now what we are going to do is by using the presser, we are actually going to adjust that particular paper. The procedure that way is very easy as compared to any other 3D printing, metal 3D printers is concerned. So this is one of the best methodology. And now we have pressed that particular paper, and now we are going to basically vacuum the utility, and we are going to start the process. And now the bed is ready to do the metal print. So now we are going to start our first run of the printing. So here you could see
my first Metal X print.
And this is the printing process starts. So you could see now the printing process is started. You can see at the bottom there are two nozzles, and it is adjusting the entire position, and with that it has reached to origin, and from the origin now it is traveling for the main procedure. So now you could see slowly the bed is lifting up. And now it is going to touch to the nozzle base, and the printing would start. So here is the bed, which is getting ready for the first print. This is India's first print we are taking with ADAM technology. And that is what is the reason we all have gathered here, and this is one of the great moment to all of us, witnessing the first ever ADAM based additive manufacturing metal 3D printing. We are going to print 17/4 stainless steel 3D print. There are various material already been launched by the Markforged. One of them is 17/4 stainless steel. Then we have H13 and D2 tool steel. These are various materials so far we have launched, and many more to come, like titanium, Inconel, A2, and then based on copper and aluminium, many more to follow. Now you could see the process has already reached to about, I think it's 96, so another 4% to go, 97, and we are just waiting for, it's 98 now, 99, and all set to start printing. It's now going to complete 100. So here the printing process is operational, and printing started. Now the bed leveling in process, and here you could see like bed leveling process activity started by the machine, and it is just measuring all the coordinate system X, Y, Z plane, and procedure is gonna start. Atomic diffusion additive manufacturing, this is very advanced technique, and by using this particular technique there is no wastage. That is the biggest advantage of ADAM method. We are using basically the spools which is carrying the material and after the printing, the next process is going to be, we are going to drip into a washer, and after washing we are just going to dry it, and after drying we are going to put it into a sintering oven for 1300 degrees. So this is all about the process, how actually the ADAM technique works. And now the printing, you can witness the printing now. The calibration is completed, and this is how it has come to the origin, and the printing process started. This is the first job. Let me explain it to all the users and viewers that this is the first job in India which we are printing, and we are really happy to bring this technology for all our Indian industries to all the industry people. And I'm sure by using the ADAM technique it would be helpful to all of you, and make a better printing jobs which would be directly you can utilize for the realistic application purpose. And this is how the first layer process has been started. Now I'm going to show you that how basically we have kept the spool, where you can keep the spool. So this door I'm just gonna open, and here you could see the spools 17.4 pH. These are the spools what we are going to use it, and from there we are going to directly supply those spools to the extruder, and extruder is doing rest of the job. So with this, the printing process has been started for the entire India with our new ADAM technology, and we are dedicating this particular technology to our beloved country, and we are now ready to take any kind of jobs. So those who would be interested basically to see the machine, to see the demo, please feel free to log into www.pelfinfotech.com, and you can also send us the email that info@pelfinfotech.com, where you can send your queries, you can send your inquiries, or those who would like to see the demonstration or maybe any kind of presentation, they can show their interest, send it to us. We are waiting for your call. We are just waiting for all of you. We are ready.